Namar makuat kalat kan long tu be. Suam kan niap.
Kiri pop sudah. Kyndon hi ka boarding ban ai yangi.
Suam mem ta. Ngali ngatieng bat mai cika bodum. Ban ngam kuat ban niap bak cingdum.
Ndam la apo setleo pat. Kadum hiam.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kyndon jong snong la pangam, kilapan pau yang sing diaw. Halo ka jing pamyo lat ban idam sikilin kha. Kibadan hajan jong snong. Tapan Kasnong badan hakaput jong kasnong lapangap berkabahap sa West Karbi Anglong District Assam. Wat haplang kajingwan poy kipulit ringkat kajingdan lang Uspitandan of Police ka West Giant Hills District ujak pal sing dhano hakat saw tunig jemang ajaban rew. Hakajingkan bekilap say kubor Uspitandan of Police ka West Giant Hills District ujak pal sing dhano ulaong bakajing kimi lenti jong kinangram banyolet kiling kha kala pulom namar badan ki Runar ki pakhang lahat ikinongram banai dirap halaka jong kacaka kabakadai kanong kanti jongki ulai thu ba ulai yo eka phone call na MLA ka Assam ula karpat USP ka West Giant Hills ban ompenan kam da kabur handai banyai ap sa tang Sngi banyo pensyai ki pat Karbi bakin penne ya ka syongsuk syongsan ulaong ru baladadan ki Runar ki Pynwit ki pulit ke salie kakabatan kam katkom ki Kyndon jong kaan.
Today we went to the Assam police camp as the farmers who had gone today to the fields, their fields were across ahead of Assam police camp. Assam police assured us full cooperation, but despite that, few miscreants came out with the intention of disturbing the peace and tranquility and to disturb our farmers from cultivating. Here, there are few things which I would like to put on record. Number one, the jurisdiction is disputed, whether it is under Assam or Meghalaya. But the ownership and possession is undisputed. The ownership of the land where the rice is being cultivated fairly and squarely belongs to the residents of Lapangap as well as the possession. So whatever miscreants from Assam side were doing, they were doing with the malified intention of rightful owners from stopping them from cultivating their own land, which they have been doing since time immemorial. While this talks were going on and our farmers were patiently waiting, then we received a call from the Assam side, received the call from Honorable MLA who represents Tapat village. He has requested that rather than use of any force, that at least one day be given to him so that he can peacefully explain to the public from Karbi side. Keeping in view the bigger picture and our constant endeavor towards maintaining peace and tranquility, even though which has come at the cost of economic hardship, we have decided for today to give one more day to the Assam side. We will patiently wait, and then once the decision is conveyed from their side, we will take further action. Our intention since morning was to go into the fields and start cultivating. Having said that, as I have already briefed, the area is beyond the present Assam police camp. So we require their cooperation. The same cooperation was extended by them during the harvesting last season. And as officers of law, we fully understand that any use of force can have unintended consequences. So as to avoid any bigger damage, we have requested our farmers from my side to retreat for one day, give one more day to the local MLA from Assam side, and let us hope the cultivation resumes and the peace and tranquility be maintained forever. Operating to the extent they can, but we have to understand we are operating in a democratic setup. So they have requested us for their representative to sort out this situation. We have agreed for one day, which is tomorrow, and then when to go to our fields, we will take decision once the decision from Karbi side is conveyed to us. Having said that, I have already put it on record that the jurisdiction is disputed, but the ownership and possession is undisputed. The land belongs to the person from Lapangap village. So the law and the legal position is very clear. Whosoever will disturb them will face the consequences as per established laws and procedures. CSF-10 is already on the way from Shillong. So they were camping in a certain area. They have been withdrawn from there and they are already on the way. So hopefully by later evening today, we will have them present here, or perhaps tomorrow morning. I don't have the logistical details with me ready as of now.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.